y'all? JustZay here, back getting another pickup. Today's a special day. I say that because today we open up the vault, simply because these shoes are coming back out this fall. So I'm going to give you guys a preview of what's expected to come. And that is none other than the 2010 Core Gray 11 Jordans. So, real quick story about these shoes. These came out in 2010, right before Christmas. And I had just got my first credit card. These came out as well as the Air Foamposites cough drops came out. These were $175. The cough drops were $200. So I just got my credit card, and I'm in line. I'm in the store. I'm the first person in line. I was like, "Hey, dude, look, I'm gonna put $100 down on this. Put the rest on my credit card, because I think my limit was like $400." So my card got declined twice. People behind me and everything, and I'm just like, "Yo, what's going on?" I was like, "Hell, bro, let me call real quick. So I get on the phone. I call Capital One. They thought it was fraud. This is back in 2010, so they thought it was fraud. I was like, "Nah, yo, it's me. I need these shoes." He's like, "All right, bet." So you ring it up again. Boom. Got both pairs. So I left out with the cool gray 11s and the cough drop Foamposites, all right before Christmas. So let's get into the unboxing. So as I told you guys before, these are retail for $175 back in 2010. Just on Flight Club, the actual resale price of these now, in my size, 10.5, is $850. And as you can tell in just a little bit, these are VNDS, which are very narrow dead stock. I've worn these twice for the video you guys saw in the intro, and I think I wore these on my birthday. That was it. So it comes in this carbon fiber like material right here. And then I had this bag. Got this from the dollar store. It was like $3 for $1. And I restocked them heavily. And then you got the little Tinker made them shine. You made them iconic. This is the Jordan 11 right here. And let's see. Let's put this right here. So, whew, it's a bittersweet feeling, man. I'm telling you, pulling these bad boys out. Oh man. Originally, these came out. The first colorway came out in 2001, and then they were re-released back in 2010. That's what I got my hands on today. So, there isn't much about this shoe that can be said that isn't already seen. The first thing that catches my eye is the patented leather that goes all the way throughout the whole shoe. Starts off right here, the shiny patent leather. As you can see, the reflectiveness off the light goes all the way around. And just above that is going to be the nubuck, which is pretty much like the base of the shoe. And then you have the Jumpman logo right here. And then something a lot of people don't know, this actually says 23 if you look at it a little bit closely. Let's see if it'll focus in. Is it catching it? Boom. So it says 23 right here. Then throughout the whole shoe, like I say, it's pretty basic. And then, like I said, you got the white sole. And then the bottoms right here. One of the interesting things about the bottoms, people used to complain about the gel bottoms, that the gel bottoms would get yellow over time. So one of the things they did to try to slow that process, these are actually blue when they came out originally. So this was blue, then eventually came to this clear colorway that you see throughout parts of the shoe. Then eventually gets to the yellow that you see through other parts of the shoe. So, like I said, these are VNDS. I've only worn these twice. If you guys are interested, hit me up and I'll ship these out to you and I'll sell them to you. I'll do somebody interested, $600, and you cover the shipping, and I'll sell these out to you. I even sign them if you want. If you don't want me to sign them, it's all good. But yeah, so like I said, these are the Jordan 11s. And oh, one more thing. Let me show you this real quick. So one of the reasons I don't wear Jordans anymore, because they don't put this same quality in the shoe. Look at the shoe horn. Look at that. Even this is a shiny right here.